Alright guys, today we are going to be reacting to what can you cook with kohlrabi. 3 recipes that will surprise you. This is the little weird slash onion thingy that I was talking about that I never seen it as vegetable, but it seems like Germans do use it a lot. We're going to react to this amazing vegetable. Make sure you like to subscribe. We're heading to the 10,000 subscribers, so help us get there. Jump in. Oh, that's nice and sharp. Okay. Then you peel the skin. What country are you watching my videos? From the United States. That's where I'm watching. Hmm. When I see this kind of vegetable, for some reason it gives me like pickly, kind of juicy, watery, kind of. I don't know. Like it might taste watery. I don't know why. Oh, cucumbery. Okay, all right. Breadcrumbs. So okay, she's gonna fry them. All right. Mm. Oh, that's nice. Don't tell me she's gonna bake that. Okay. Oil on top. Okay. Avocado oil. All right. 356 degrees. Ooh. Pasta. I like the tool that she's using. Peel the skin, I guess. Okay. Kevin C. D. Tomaten in. Oh, that's kind of cool. I might just buy that to my wife. Salt. Damn, that's a lot of salt, man. I don't know. A lot of these videos, when it comes down to food, you Germans use a lot of salt. You saw her like, rah, 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 rah. Yeah, fine. Oh, that's interesting. So she's doing like so she's doing like a ragu sauce, like an Italian ragu sauce. Oh, man, I need to get that. No, 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 no. I need to get that. I need to get that thingy. That squashable garlic thingy. Oh man, I need to get that. Okay, here's the. And then you bake them and brush them a little bit. So why baking them? Oh, because yeah, okay. Mozzarella cheese. What the hell? Okay. Parsley. Ooh, okay. How do you? Hmm. I think I'm right. It might be very cucumber ish, watery, pickle-ish kind of flavor, right? But now, look at this. You have the cheese and the parsley and all that stuff. Man, might taste very good. Where in the hell I'm gonna just find stuff like this, man? Mm-mm-mm-mm. Let's root that. Let's take them again with a very sharp knife. Cleaning the vegetable. Really go through it and just slice it in half, 2/4, move it to the side. Yep. You know what's crazy? Something tells me you can do something sweet as well. Like if you do something sweet with this, it will not go that bad. Peeling it again? Oh, okay. That's the old school. Yeah, that's salt. Well, okay. That's a lot of salt. A lot of salt. Sauerkraut, right? Oh, ¿Dónde va? What city? Menasha, Appleton, Wisconsin. No, no. You gonna make gravy with it? Oh, two sweet potatoes, slicing lightly. Mm. This time around, she's using green onion, but something I noticed is some of the ingredients are very similar. She's not changing a lot. Listening to the music and I'm just following the modulation with the secondary dominance. I'm just following through. My bad, folks. I'm like, okay, secondary dominant. Okay, well, I'm just being a musician right now. That's a very nice color. That's nice and crispy. Oh man. So you can do all that stuff with that weird onion root vegetable thingy. Oh, That's the last. Okay. Hold up. Whoa. So why this one looks like that? Is that is so that's how it gets like when it gets stale and rotten. That's how it gets, right? Or it's supposed to look like that. Let me know in the comment section. Or is that a different one? I don't know. It looks like a different vegetable, I guess. Okay, so she's doing the same thing, peeling the kohlrabi. You guys don't eat the skin of the kohlrabi, alright? Cut them into and butter. Ooh, fancy now, huh? Yeah, stir it. Very good. Put it all there. Oh. Okay. Oh man, it has to be smelling amazing. Oh. Okay, that's the okay. So that's the salad. Okay, that's a young celery. Okay, okay. All right. Okay. What are you doing? The carrots. So this is your little sofrito thingy. This is basically the German sofrito. Celery, kohlrabi, um, the other one I forgot the name of it. The carrots, and I think the other one was the parsley. I think it was. That's your guy's sofrito, and that's how you guys make um your gravy. I think. Mm. Cover it. That was potato. And that potato looks nice, right? Vegetable broth. Oh, that's how you guys do it. That's how you guys do it, huh? So, so you have what a 2 inches rectangular solid broth, and then you put hot water in it. That's it, really? So you're making gravy, right? Oh, this is a gumbo. Bro, oh, I know what she's gonna do. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Salt, a little bit of garlic, okay. Croutons, what are you trying to do? Olive oil. Oh, you're making croutons, right? Ooh. And for what? Oh. What the hell? Wait a minute. It's like a puree, right? Salt, pepper, nuts, nuts. Parmesan cheese. Okay, I see what she's doing. Oh, that's a lot. That's a lot. Oh, wow, that looks nice. Cream. Oh, wow, look at that. Oh, what are you trying to do? What is it? Can't see it. Oh. Okay. Cover up again. It's ready. Parsley. Oh my god, that looks amazing. Bravo. Bravo. And take the piece. Oh, yes. Bravo. This. Oh, I don't want to see anything. Well, folks, amazing video. Amazing video. I mean, those recipe with that little vegetable kohlrabi thingy. Mmm. I know you can find it because I remember one time that now that I go back, I used to teach to a Polish family in New York City in Glendale. And I remember tasting something very cucumber, like a cucumber, but it was tasting kind of different. I think that it was kohlrabi. I think it was kohlrabi. I swear by God, I think it was kohlrabi. But I don't know how to find. I've been in a couple supermarkets around here. I can't find that thing. Literally, I was actively looking for kohlrabi. I couldn't find it. Couldn't find it. That's strange because there's a lot of Germans around here. That's something interesting. Oh, but amazing recipes, guys. Amazing recipes. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next one.